Hello, this is Peg with Craft Room Stories. Welcome to my channel. Okay, y'all, this is August's design team project for Justine with House of Mahalo. She has created a lovely new, well, two new kits I think are available on her Etsy shop. This is not it. This is just some pretty paper that I thought I'd put in the background. That it actually kind of matches in ways. Okay, so, I'm going to list below what it's called, but I've just gone blank, but it has something to do with Scotland, something Scotland, or Scotland something. But anyway, or Scottish something, Scottish summer? Anyway, I cannot remember. But isn't it cute? It's got these birds, look at this little village, and kind of some ledger-looking background. And then we've got a deer or elk. I'm not sure which. To me, they kind of look interchangeable. And just beautiful papers with thistle and some other flowers I don't know the names of. And look at the bird ones. Oh, I love it. They're so cute. And this is a lot of the thistle. And look at the Highland cows. I love them. She just slipped that right on in there. I'm going to have to print some extra of these and fussy cut these cows because I think they're so stinking cute. And then more of the ledger. And I have backed all the paper with this extra, all of these pictures with this last piece that she has in the kit. Now she has 3 other pieces that are vertical, although I think they could be used either way. But I have used them to make, I'm going to put these under here so it won't be distracting, to make this little pocket. Okay, so it's, you know I love an interactive pocket. I'm going to show you how I made it. I cut this paper. I'm going to slide that off of there. That's just there to keep it shut. Okay, I put an extra piece square on here to make it pretty, and we've got a layered look here. Then you open it up and you've got this. And you could put some little words in there. I have left it without the words or here because I will put that in when I go to put this in a journal, and I don't know exactly what I'll have, what I think will match and go with that. But you basically just cut a piece that will fit in here that's square. You fold it one way diagonally and then 2 ways in half, I should say. And then it folds in like that and shuts. And you could leave this completely blank for journaling. I don't know, I just wanted to put that in there so that I could have extra of this paper because I think it's so pretty. This is just a plain piece of cardstock that I've done here. Anyway, you close that up. And there you go. And it could stay open, but I decided to put this on here, this little piece of velvet ribbon, to keep it more shut. It doesn't want to go on. And there we go. And then you could just glue it on 3 sides, and you've got a pocket. I would probably do the pocket this way since I've got this ribbon here. And then you've got a fun little interactive pocket. So that is my design team project and my very short video for that. I still need to make a Tagtastic Tuesday video. I actually have worked on the magnet one, and I'm going to be able to show you how I fixed the issue. As soon as some things dry, I may have to film that actually on Tuesday. But for now, I'll get this put up there, and thank you so much for joining me today. Hugs. Bye.